Let's face it, the world is stressful, so who couldn't use a little relaxation? Luckily, you can help your clients achieve a state of Zen even when life is hectic with Theanine XR Stress Relief from Life Extension. L-theanine is an amino acid that crosses the blood-brain barrier and helps protect the areas of the brain associated with our stress response. It also has been shown to help modulate the activity of certain neurotransmitters, which help keep the mind calm and relaxed without making us sleepy. Unfortunately, L-theanine is quickly metabolized by the body. To help, our experts formulated Theanine XR Stress Relief with an extended-release technology that enables it to stay in the body for up to 6 full hours. Each vegetarian tablet is gluten-free and non-GMO and, best of all, promotes relaxation with 1 dose each day. Help your clients stay calm and collected all day long without sleepiness. Share Theanine XR Stress Relief from Life Extension today.